Hello, I am Reverend Joanne Browne Jennings, Director of the Black Church Studies Certificate Program at Yale Divinity School. The Black Church Certificate Program seeks to support the scholarly inquiry of and engagement with the practices of African American churches and other Christian communities throughout the African diaspora. In addition to creating space for innovative and interdisciplinary thinking through colloquia, special lectures, and other culturally relevant events, the BCS program seeks to provide a forum for critical reflection and for dialogue that supports the development of a student's unique voice and perspective on Black religious life. Creating a strong relational framework is central to the vision of the program and to the wholeness of the students involved. Thus, listening is a core value that ensures the relevance of the program both to its participants and to the broader community. If you are interested in responding to the needs of the Black church and/or of marginalized communities, I invite you to consider participating in the Black Church Certificate Program when you begin your journey at YDS. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me. I look forward to meeting you.